Good morning, keep going community. I hope you're ready for another sticker today. Today's inspiration comes from the song Float On by Modest Mouse. I think what the sticker is gonna say today is things will work out. No, figuring it out. Figuring it out. That's what we're going with today. Also, inspiration comes from this cool sign I saw yesterday. It was like this neon sign, but it had a bunch of lines in it, and I think it was just the way the sign was made. It was LED strips, and then it was black and then strip. Anyways, it looked really cool, so we're gonna do kind of a similar style for that. And then we're just gonna see what happens. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, let's go ahead and let's get our music going here. Let's get our timer going. Once again, you guys, 15:23. We don't like even numbers here. We like to keep it funky. So we're gonna go ahead and start that. And okay, so we're gonna start by just putting our text in here, figuring it out. And it would probably help if we could see it. So let's just make it a black for now. And we'll bring this to the center. We'll center align it all, and then we'll go ahead and bring this size down a bit. Ooh, let's center align that. Man. Okay, oop. Man, you guys, I am still waking up this morning. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and bring that down a bit. I think that's a pretty cool text. I want to see what else we have to choose from though. Sans serif. Let's see what we got. Maybe Hero New is cool. It's too thin, I think. League Spartan. I like League Spartan a lot. League Spartan is really cool. So we're gonna go with the League Spartan, and maybe we'll drop this down so it's like that. I kind of like that more. Maybe we'll adjust this spacing here. That looks pretty cool so far. Let's actually just make this text bigger. Let's do this. Adjust this. Okay. So that's pretty cool. I'll actually make this a little bit smaller, I think. Wait, let's not do that. Let's just do that, and we'll just adjust that. Okay, easy. So let's go ahead. I'm not exactly sure the best way to go about this, but it's okay, you guys. We're gonna figure it out. That's the whole motto of today. Just figure it out. You know, you might not know the answer. That's okay. You know, you don't always know the answer to everything. That's fine. You just gotta be willing to find the answer, do the work, figure it out. That's what life's about. Okay, we're getting deep. We're getting deep this morning. Okay, cool. So let's just go ahead, copy this throughout. We'll do something like that, and we'll just keep on copying these, getting easier as we go. Look at this, I'm already almost done. Watch it, and just one more, then we're done. Pop, 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 pop. Pow! What's up? Okay, cool. So that's done. That's cool. Let's just go ahead and group all these. There's so many of them. Let's just go ahead. Let's actually just merge all of those shapes so it's one layer. That'll be a lot easier. We'll go here, we'll make it a mask. Black and yellow. I don't know. I don't love it. But that's okay. figured it out, you guys. We're figuring it out. I think for the background, we're gonna do some kind of like teal like this. I think that would be a really nice contrast for it. And I like this whole like bubbly type theme I had yesterday. And so we're gonna kind of just keep that going. It's kind of like a cloud type thing. And figuring it out. I don't know, you guys. I'm not really feeling it, to be honest. Figuring it out, maybe. It kind of works. I don't really like it that much. Okay, new plan. How much time do we have? We got 10 minutes. That's fine. We're gonna get rid of these two. We'll do that. Figuring it out. You know what? I think this one is gonna be a. So this text, I want this to be like a script. Let's do that one is cool. I like that a lot. Let's go. Let's actually just make these two different texts. That's Dotsy. Dotsy's a good text. I like Dotsy. Boom, figuring. Okay, so we're gonna go right here. We'll just make this a little bit bigger. Like that. That's sick. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Maybe we just make both of these a little bit bigger and then a little bit smaller. The center line like that. And then you know what, you guys, we're just gonna go a little crazy back here. I'm also inspired by like paint splatters. So I think we're just gonna do a bunch of like paint splatters back there. I think I have some paint splatter brushes. Let's check it out. Let's see what we've got. We got wet blender. What's that? I like the blue. It's a wet blender. I don't even know what is that, you guys? It's on smudge. Okay. Let's get out of that. Spoon graphics. Spray paint. Spray paint is cool. I like spray paint. Figuring it out. Sick. I like that. Let's do something else on a different layer. Let's do another color. I like this vibrancy that we got going. Let's do some like green, a little like smaller. That's cool. Let's just make a bunch of like these layers really quick. Different brushes, different colors. Let's do some yellow in there. Let's go something that's like that. And then we'll do another one. We'll do another yellow. But maybe we do like a drip this time. It's like pretty cool. Pop. Maybe we do like a pink. Let's do like a neon pink. Let's do this one. And then we'll go like pop. And then I really like these colors. Let's do like another one of those blues. Go bow, Pam, bada bing. Right there. Cool, okay, so now I'm just gonna go through and like move these around a bit. Let's lock these texts. I don't want those to move. So we'll put this up there, figuring it out. I like how it's over that. This one, maybe we'll make this one like smaller. Be kind of like a period type deal. Figuring, I like the idea of it being like something like this. That's kind of cool. That green back there. Kind of like this idea, but I want it behind the blue. Maybe I kind of like it over there. Let's move this like up here a bit. Because I like the idea of this being kind of unobstructed, so maybe let's do some kind of things that are like this. Do some stuff Well, that doesn't make sense, so it does it. And then we'll go here, and then we'll go, okay, so we got 6 minutes. So we're not super pressed for time, but I still want to get most of this done. Let's do like a red. Let's get some red in here. Pow! Pop! Okay. This is okay. It's turning out alright. We're okay. Let's get some more yellow in there. Yellow is a sweet color. Lots of vibrancy. And not really digging that. Pat. Whap. Something like that maybe. Whap. Yeah, sure. Why not? We'll go boom, we'll go boom. We'll just do. That's interesting. Let's do one that's like. What is that? I don't know what that is. What is this one? I don't even know what this is. You guys, I don't know like any of this stuff. We're just figuring it out. Maybe that's a little too much. Actually, let's bring that back. And we'll just rotate this. Too much. Put it up here. Like so. Cool. I guess we can put some kind of like grungy texture back here. So let's go to CG textures and textures.com, and we'll just say like grunge bread. I don't want bread. Thank you though. This looks cool. Let's do this one. And then we'll just do, I like how marbly this one looks. Let's do that. Okay, so we got that there. Go back to Photoshop. We'll open up our downloads and we'll drag and drop it in here. And then perfect. And now let's just do like a little Gaussian blur to it. Let's get that not super blurry, but just like enough blurry. And then let's maybe add like a gradient to it or something. Let's just make, I guess, kind of gradient. It kind of fits our color palette. I don't know what's going on there. That looks wild. And then let's do something with the blending mode. Oh, it's crazy. Let's do, I want something that's not like super in your face. I want to be able to read the text still, so we'll do that. We'll do linear dodge add. We'll do that. We'll go here, and then we'll go ahead, paint bucket, switch to black. We'll do that. We'll do this. We'll do that. We're gonna add like a lot of noise because things are noisy. Figuring it out. Cause this sticker just feels like really crazy, really grungy, really like, whoa, you know? So, even that's kind of cool. I don't know, I kind of like the black and white. We got like a minute 50. So, I like the color too. I don't know. Does it go with the I don't think it fits in with the style of this, you guys. Let's go ahead and delete that. Let's see what else we can do. Can we just draw like a face in here? Let's do that. Let's just draw a face in here really quick, like, We got about a minute left. If we go like pop. Or what if I do this with the spray paint brush? Pop. We got 50 seconds! Figuring it out. He looks like a smug little dude. He's like, figuring it out, I guess. He doesn't know. I don't know either. We're just kind of doing stuff. We're just doing whatever feels right, you know? This is art, you guys. It's like, whatever you're feeling, art is an expression of yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the biggest thing that we're learning through doing this. And that's okay. You know, things aren't always perfect in life, and that's okay. You just figure it out as you go and you have fun with it. And that looks pretty cool. Let's just do one last little black thing right there. And that's it, you guys. That's time. Okay. Today was a little interesting. You know, like I said, I'm not like it's not a Picasso, but I had fun making it, and that's what matters. I think it's cool. You know, there's a lot of color in there. Figuring it out looks cool. Lots of vibrancy. There's just like a lot going on. I kind of like it. Lots of layers. It's beautiful. It's beautiful for its own reasons. I love that. Okay, you guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Excited to keep this going, but if you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, feel free to send them my way. You know, like, comment, subscribe, the usual. Remember to stay awesome, have a great day, stay creative, keep trying, keep doing, and keep going. And I'll see you on the next one, you guys.